Ever wonder why some men command the room with a whisper, while others can't with a shout? What if I told you, the secret to power isn't in how often you speak, but in how you wait? Imagine holding a silence so powerful, every word you say afterwards hits like thunder. In a world where everyone's rushing to be heard, there's a power in being the guy who waits. Waits to respond, waits to judge, waits to move. Like the calm before a storm. Don't be quiet. Be deliberate. You've seen it, right? The guy who doesn't jump at every question, whose attention isn't cheap or easily won. That's the guy everyone wants to know more about. This isn't just about playing it cool or some superficial bullshit. It's about understanding your worth, your words, your attention, and your time. They're all gold. By not giving them away freely, you create a demand. It's basic economics. And in the social stock market, you're driving your value up. It's like Tommy Shelby walking into a room, hat tilted, gaze steady. He speaks when he's ready.
I want to know what you want.
And the world waits. Why? Because he knows the weight of his words. So, next time you're in a convo, and you feel that urge to fill the silence, pause. Count to 5. It'll feel like an eternity, but watch how it changes the dynamic. Suddenly, you're not just another guy in the room. You're the guy controlling the room. Remember, the most powerful men aren't loud or incessant. They're like Kratos, stoic, measured, and impactful. They understand that true power comes from being selective, from responding on your own time, not on demand, from speaking because you have something to say, not because you have to say something. Let's shift the paradigm of power. It's not the one who speaks the most or the fastest who holds sway, but the one who speaks with purpose, after a deliberate pause. In those moments of silence, your authority is built. And in the space of just 4 seconds, you transform from a beta to an alpha, echoing the strength of your conviction without shouting a word. This is how to make people respect you instantly. First, listen more than you speak. This creates mystique and a stoic presence. Second, harness the power of pause. Give yourself a deliberate 3 to 5 seconds before responding, transforming every word you say into a statement of intent. Third, be non-reactive to hostility. This calm confidence is intimidating as fuck. Lastly, maintain eye contact when speaking with people you choose to give your time to. This project's confidence and sincerity.